What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this ginger 24-inch wig from Unice hair. If you would like to see how I got this installed, then continue watching. The first thing that I do is I put my natural hair in two ponytails, and then I put on my stocking cap for the ball cap method. I don't do no braid down. Y'all already know that from previous videos. Here, I'm just going to take my Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm going to trace where my natural hairline is, and I'm going to cut out my ears and basically just mold this cap for the ball cap method. Next, I just take my edge brush and begin working that product back to let it, basically marinate into the cap so that when it dry, it molds flat and secure. Like, you don't want your cap to be coming off when you cut it. So this is what I'm doing, and basically just working that product into the cap so that when it dries, it will dry flat. And I also top it off with some freeze spray. Here is the wig straight out of the box. It is absolutely gorgeous. The color is very vibrant, and the hair was like really soft. This is the lace. Like, it comes pre-plucked, and the lace is already like blendable. You can tell that it's gonna be easy to blend. This is me placing the pins to secure the wig, and basically just kind of customize the wig. And as you can see, I did not have to do no plucking. Like, I basically only had to just kind of take the hot comb and run it through the front just to kind of lay it flat just a little bit, y'all. Like, this wig was already like fresh out the box, just threw it on. So now that my wig cap is completely dry, I'm going to begin cutting off the extra cap, basically just following my natural hairline, because you want this ball cap method to look like it's your scalp. So carefully cut, try not to cut your hair. Also, this is in like the fastest speed, and it still looks like I'm moving slow, so that lets you know your girl was taking her time with this. So take your time and try to get it neat as possible, but don't cut your hair. Next, I am going to apply my foundation shade to my ball cap, and just to make it blend a lot better. You don't want this white cap showing through your wig. So apply some foundation and blend it out and make sure it looks like scalp. Once I'm done applying my foundation, I always just kind of try on the wig just to see if I need to add any on the inside of the wig. But in this case, it looks perfectly fine to me, so that is enough. Here, I'm just taking my tweezers and plucking away the extra hair that is too close to my eyebrow, and I'm just plucking to match my natural hairline. Now for my lace glue, I use Wig Dealer Extreme Hold Lace Glue. This is some really good lace glue, y'all. This holds me for weeks. I'm basically gonna just dot that and follow the cap, which is my hairline. Next, I just take the back of my edge brush and begin smoothing all of that lace glue out. Once you let the lace glue get tacky, I then take the wig and bring it forward where I want it to lay, and I begin taking the comb and basically just pressing it all into the hairline. Once I have the lace laid flat, I take my blow dryer and begin drying everything on cool setting just to make sure everything is nice and secure. And I'm also checking and, touching areas just to see if I missed any spots. And any spots that I missed, I always go in with my Wig Dealer melting spray. So once everything is dry, this is what my lace looks like. Everything is nice and flat. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and cut the lace into 4 sections just to make it easier for me to cut off the extra lace. And again, here I just went back in with my Wig Dealer spray just to make sure everything is nice and melted. Girl, like, look at this lace. Like, this looks good. So when it comes to me cutting my lace, very perfectionist like, I go in with this real tiny eyebrow razor and I cut my lace in more of a zigzag motion. I don't cut straight across because you don't want your lace to look like this oval, if that makes sense. So I always go up and bring the razor down and basically just cut in a zigzag motion to give it more of a better blend when you remelt it. Also, when you're cutting, make sure you cut as close to the hairline as possible and don't cut yourself. Be careful. Next, I take my foaming mousse and basically just work that through the wig, and I'm going to find my part. After I find my part, I'm next going to take my hot comb and just make sure everything is laying nice and flat. Next, I just take my blow dryer and begin blowing out those waves because, y'all, I got torn in between the two of if I wanted to do this hair straight or if I wanted to do some layers with curls. I kind of was like, I don't know. So I did end up deciding that I just was going to flat iron the hair straight. And here is one section that I already did. And I began flat ironing the rest of the section. So I'm going to let y'all watch that part. And after that is the finished look. So just continue watching. So after I'm done straightening the hair, I take my wax stick and begin applying it on the top to kind of lay down the extra flyaways. And I take my brush and just work it through to lay it even flatter. And I go in with my favorite Sleek and Shine serum from Garnier Fructis. Like, I love this stuff. Again, it smells like bubble gum. I can't get enough of it. And this is the finished look, y'all. Tell me what you all think in the comments, and I'm gonna give y'all my final review of this hair. Okay, babe, so this is the finished look. But I really want to add some layers so bad, but I think I'm gonna wait. I just want to get some pictures while it's still sleek and straight. I absolutely love the package. It kind of got a little destroyed, I guess when it was coming in the mail. But it flips open with the magnet, which kind of closes it, which I absolutely love. I like how it just automatically shuts closed when you close it. Very quality box. And they also sent me this cute bag with some lashes and a hair tie to tie my hair down. It was super easy to install. I think I might go through and put some concealer here down the middle of my part. But this is the hair completely straightened. Again, it's super soft, minimal shedding, no shedding. Actually, the only shedding that I did get was because I took the tweezers and kind of plucked my hairline a little bit more, because I kind of have a little low hairline right up in this area. And when I placed the wig, it was kind of too close to my eyebrows, so I kind of plucked. I love it. I highly recommend if you are looking for some good color hair, long inches. This is 24 inches. Again, I'm 4'11", and I love it. That completes this video. This is the finished look. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bells to be notified of my new videos. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video, babes and baby dolls.